Alright guys, welcome to Ken's Ghetto Kitchen. Today we're going to be making something very, very simple, very easy to make with just like literally 4 ingredients that you can make from things that you have in the house. I'm sure everyone has Ritz crackers, and if you don't, you can get the store brand because they're like, what are these, like $1?
Yeah, but what are you making?
I'm making pizza bites. In case you can't read the thing that's down there that says what I'm making, it's okay. It's a very easy process. You're going to need an oven, obviously. You can use a toaster oven with a small pan as well. You're going to need some cheese, some pizza sauce, or you can use pasta sauce. It's not going to be as good, but you can get away with that. And some Italian seasoning. So let's go ahead and first we're going to line our pan with our stuff, and then we're going to add our ingredients to it. So I think we have too many crackers first. I'm going to make a whole lot. I think we could probably do like, what, 15 on here?
Sure.
Salt side down, I think, would be the best way to go for this, but you know, this is my first time making them.
Oh, I went 6 extra. Like,
it's not bad.
yeah, I did pretty good.
Next step, obviously, is to add your sauce. This is such a waste of a can of sauce, so when you're done doing this, make sure you refrigerate your sauce so that you know, don't cause it to go bad. If I seem extra awkward for this video, it's because we have someone in the house with us who's not normally here. So I might be a little...
Well, that's not true. They're here during the weekends.
Yeah, but not like, you know, while I'm filming. I'm out of my comfort zone here. I have an audience, but that's okay. She'll be in the next video. We've got Chef Lunia here. She's not a chef, she's a doctor. She's gonna show us how to make edible bandages. Alright, so once you have your sauce on there, you could kind of like flatten it out with the spoon. I mean, you don't really have to because gravity will work in your favor. But we'll do it anyway. Now our oven is already warm, but you want to make sure your oven is preheated.
To
375, 400, somewhere around that area. Doesn't really matter. You can get away with 350. I mean, the crackers are already cooked, so it's alright. Next step, take your cheese. You want to do the smallest pinch possible because you don't want to overdo it with the cheese. You end up burning the cheese to your pan and you're not going to have a good time. That's why I lined my pan with aluminum foil. Alright, the next step is to use your Italian seasoning. You just, you know, fuck it. Just do it. Who gives a shit? Just use it all. Alright, so your next step is to shove this in the oven for probably about 5 or 6 minutes. Just until the cheese is melted because you don't want to burn your crackers. Nobody likes burnt crackers. They're terrible. So your finished product should look a little something like this. And it should smell amazing, by the way. Like when you're taking it out of the oven, you should know that what you just did is amazing. And don't limit yourself to just 15. If you've got a group of people over and you're having like a party, load this pan up. You can probably fit like 30 on here, maybe even 40.
don't mind the lamp over there.
Don't show the lamp.
I can't. It's in there. It's been in it. Sorry.
So that's pretty much all we have left of our pizza bites. It's only been like 5 minutes. It's been seconds, actually. We couldn't resist. Why? The screen is terrible. Well guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any kitchen hacks or any kind of recipe hacks or anything like that. If there's any cheap, affordable meals that you like to make or appetizers. And stick around for next week because we have a special guest. Lunia is going to be here showing us how to make her frittata. Tex-Mex, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Tex-Mex frittata. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full.
talking with your mouth.
Yeah.
Hey, look at our ghetto setup.
Stop hiding behind lights and stuff.
Hey, this camera we didn't even use.